Hello everyone. Welcome to RunPTO Deposit Forms online tutorial. Today we're going to walk you through the smooth process of how a volunteer can effortlessly submit a record of cash collected for an event within your organization. And guess what? We'll be using our efficient deposit workflow feature to make it even easier. So let's get started. To begin, let's understand what the deposit form workflow feature offers. It enables a committee volunteer to upload information about the cash and checks collected for an event and submit that form to the treasurer. The treasurer then approves the form online and posts the form. Let's take the example of a bingo night social fundraiser. You've just hosted a wildly successful bingo night event for your parent-teacher organization. Everyone had a blast, and the cash collected via entrance fees, selling bingo cards or money in the donation box, or selling merchandise has you feeling thrilled and motivated. Now let's move on to the next step, collecting and recording the cash. You've got a bunch of cash in hand, and it's time to submit the cash and the online deposit form to the treasurer. To ensure seamless and organized recording of the cash and checks collected, a volunteer can rely on the online deposit workflow feature. Now let's walk through the simple steps to submit the deposit form. Step 1. Enter the deposit details. Select the committee for whom the cash was collected from a list of options. Enter the name, phone number, and email for easy identification. Specify the total amount of cash collected and the number of checks received. Enter the total check amount. Provide any additional notes for the treasurer if necessary. Step 2. Enter the cash details. Indicate the bill type and its corresponding quantity that you received. Step 3. Enter the check details. Enter the check number, name, and amount for each check received. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, simply click on the Submit Deposit Form button to send the form to the treasurer. Your deposit form is now successfully submitted and will be reviewed by the treasurer. Now let's take a closer look at the steps the treasurer follows in the Finance module to handle the deposit forms. Step 1. Navigate to the Finance module and Deposit Forms. The treasurer will see a list of deposit forms received. Initially, all received deposit forms will be in an unverified state. Step 2. Review the deposit form. The treasurer carefully examines the form, ensuring that all the provided information is accurate and complete. Step 3. Verify and post the deposit to the appropriate account. Once the treasurer is satisfied with the verification, they proceed to officially verify the deposit. The verified deposit is then posted to the appropriate account for accurate financial records. For that, you need to select the bank account. Next, select the appropriate account. Reference number, if any. The day the cash and checks were deposited. Any memo information if needed. Next, click on Process the deposit form. The deposit form is in verified state and posted to RunPTO accounts. And there you have it. The deposit is completed and all your hard work is safely accounted for. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Happy depositing!